Today we will be testing the RSI momentum acceleration.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI momentum acceleration. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 56 strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 751 indicators, with 301 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 10 of the winning indicators. 5 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the RSI momentum acceleration indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what this indicator is doing is it is gauging or is measuring the momentum of the RSI. And it is displaying a background dependent on whether or not there is bullish momentum or bearish momentum. And so when the background is a yellow color, that means that there is a bearish momentum in the RSI, and we will be looking or going short when it switches to yellow. And then on the reverse side, when there is a green background, then that means there is bullish momentum in the RSI, and when it switches to green, we will go long. And so that's the setup of how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. You can see that we pick up that green background for just a moment right there. And then on the very next candle, it switches back to a bearish momentum there as the background switches to yellow. And so that would have stopped us out on the first trade. And then we would have picked up a short signal right here. Let's see. So let's go ahead and measure this out here. So it stays within our stop. It doesn't stop us out. And then we get a nice drop to the downside here, which does come down and get us to our take profit. So go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up another long signal right here as we pick up that green background for, again, just one moment there. And then on the very next candle, we then switch back to a bearish signal or a short signal right there. That would have stopped us out on that long signal there. To measure this out, so we haven't got stopped out on the short there. Let's go ahead and play it forward just a little bit here. There we go. Got a really nice drop right there, and so that one does get us to our take profit as well. Reminds me that I forgot to mark that one as a winner. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here. We get a slight pullback right here, just one little red candle before we get a really nice push right straight up there. And that one does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and finish out the rest of the year. We're pretty close here. All right, we then pick up a short right here. And you can see that we run into a little bit of consolidation there, tad bit of a push down before we then pop right straight back up, and that means that we'd have gotten stopped out on that short there. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long right here on this one. We get a push to the upside, and it is just enough to get us to our take profit right before it then rolls over and starts to drop here on this one, giving us a short signal. And that one does come down and get us to our take profit as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join our Discord server, but this is specifically the Patreon only channel here on the Discord. And so this is a private channel for all of our patrons to kind of hang out and take advantage of some advanced information that we're posting here. Our admin Jay is posting regular futures analysis, putting up screenshots of charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance and areas of interest, trades he might be taking, and so on. A lot of great information that Jay is putting out there. This is Sasquatch. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting pretty much every single day these charts where he's doing market analysis on different Forex pairs. And not only is he giving the analysis on the chart, but he also likes to explain and go into some more detail every now and then on exactly what prompted him to take specific trades and what exactly it was that he was looking at when marking up the charts and, again, looking to take a specific trade. And so he really does a great job of breaking down things, breaking down his methodology of exactly how he does his analysis, and really helping new traders to kind of get an understanding of what you should be looking for if you want to be a profitable prop trader in Forex. Really wonderful stuff that he is posting here, and he does this pretty much all day that the market's open, Monday through Friday. Really great stuff. I highly recommend that you join us here if you are looking to excel your trading knowledge. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and scroll back a little bit. There we go. Let's go ahead and count this out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 winning trades. And so that is barely going to meet that 60% criteria that we were looking for. Obviously, I wish there was more trades within the 1 year's time. It only gave us 8. And so That's an okay amount, but definitely about double that would be ideal situation. And so beyond that, the indicator was kind of giving some conflicting signals. I find it interesting if you scroll back here. One thing that I did notice is that very rarely does it give a long signal, and even more rare is that it holds that long momentum for an extended period of time. So I thought that was really strange, and you find this with some indicators, is that they're not really made for Forex. There's something about the way that Forex is kind of the information behind the orders of Forex, because it's not ran through a central exchange like the US stock market, for example. Then you'll get these indicators that have a hard time understanding kind of the order data behind the order flow and so on. And so it can cause issues with the way they interpret how price is moving and doing specific things. And that may not be specifically why this one has issues. Sometimes it's just the Forex market acts in strange ways, and specific indicators kind of struggle to understand the way the Forex market is moving. And so this one appears to be one of those type of indicators where it is basically considering the market to constantly be in a state of bearish momentum, even when there is a lot of bullish momentum obviously taking place in the market. So a little bit weird. Obviously this one is going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.